Alright guys, I'm here at the Andaz Resort in Pattaya. We're doing a video production. It starts tomorrow. I've been staying in this room for a couple days, so it's a little bit messy. It's going to have a lived-in feel to it, but that's the way I like to do these reviews and actually showcase it, because I like to do it after I've stayed here for a bit, so I can tell you sort of what I like and what I don't like about it. So this room here, this is one of their base rooms. I'll start over here. Right when you walk in, you've got this nice little partition, this nice little seating area here, which I like. It's a nice little touch here, but it has some separation. It makes the room feel a lot bigger than it is. Not that it's small, but it just makes it feel bigger. And, you know, taking your shoes off, putting them on. It's just nice to have an area to sit down. And you got these nice little wood panels here, the see-through again, so it's not making it look too small. It's still getting a lot of light in here. You've got the little bathroom here. Toilet is separated from the main bathroom, which is nice if you're one of those couples that doesn't like to watch each other use the bathroom. I like that. And that's kind of a theme here. I like that this place is really built with couples in mind. I mean, it's fine if you're a single person too, but there's like separate seating areas, enough space for you each to work or each to have like your own little reading area if you wanted that. So we've got the walk-in closet here, not huge but not small, nicely organized, a lot of drawers, a lot of room for hangers, a lot of storage up top. Great place to, you know, put your suitcases. It's got a nice mirror here, closes off. We've got the seating area right here. This is where my wife is set up to work. It's her little workstation here. Nice little armoire, Thai decorations kind of everywhere. This red armoire I really like. Coffee machine, instant espresso machine, you know, one of those pod machines. They're good to have. Bed's really comfortable, pillows are comfortable, that's important. Giant TV here, so microwave over past the bedroom. Nice little area. Like, it's always a thing, like the bedside tables, like who's got the better one? There's always one that's better than the other. Like either has more plugs or better, or like a better lamp or better access. But these are equal, which I like. Again, that balance for couples here. I like the decor in here. I like these little lamps, these glass lamps here. I like the paneling. It's also got these curtains going on here. So curtains over there, curtains over here, so you can sort of like block off the bed and have your own little intimate bedroom if you want. And then you've got another seating area over here, which I also like. This is another little reading area by the window. So again, if there's two people staying here, you can have your own little workstation, your own little reading area. I'm using it as a workstation right now, or just a place to throw my stuff. It's a bit messy. Over to the main bathroom, we've got a nice sliding door here. Big bathroom, spacious. I love these red tiles. A lot of these bathrooms here, like hotels, are starting to do this with these, like the chair in there or the stool in there. I don't know who's just like sitting down in there, but I guess people are. Rain shower option. It's kind of interesting here because normally it's like you have the control panel for the showers like right under the shower. This was off to the left, so it just took a second to find it. Again, nice decorative pieces throughout. I like these shelves here. A lot of room for storage. It feels like you're home, you know. It doesn't feel like they were lazy or cheap when it comes to furniture, so I like that. Beautiful circular bathtub here with a view looking out, but also privacy with the frosted glass there and sort of the panels over there. You also have this nice little sliding thing here, which I like, so you can have true privacy if you really want it. But really nice bathtub, very spacious, gets a lot of light. And the last thing here is the outdoor, the little balcony area overlooking the beautiful garden. This place has fantastic landscaping here, and it's just gorgeous. Beautiful trees in here, and even the rooms without beach views, it's still nice to have a garden view, and it's kind of beautiful. I actually like this a lot more. It's quite peaceful. Giant seating area here, great place to lounge, great place to read, great place for hang out by yourself or a couple. Again, you can have your morning coffee out here. Very, very spacious as well. So that's the room tour. Those are my impressions. I really dig this room. I really like this hotel so far. I'm excited to shoot it, and that's all for now. Stay tuned for the next one, wherever we end up. Bye for now.